What up, gang? Welcome to this episode of Sometimes some things are better off left broken. What up, gang? This is Michael Su from Deep Sky. Today I'm going to talk to you about why sometimes in your business, even if you know something is not perfect or not right, it is better off leaving it the way it is. Here's an example. A week ago, an entrepreneur came to me. He was adamant that he wants to be able to tie every single expense to the right client and the right project. Now, a lot of people come to me with that request because the idea is simple. If I know just exactly how profitable I am per client, per project, I will be able to, pick out only the project that I like or the project that I'm profitable on, right? And he was asking me,
Michael, can you do that?
and the answer is always yes. Given enough time, effort, and money, anything is possible. But here's the issue. Here's the more important question. Is it worth it, right? Imagine the time, effort, and money that it takes for us to be able to go out there and then pick out every single expense, break it apart, tie it to the right client, tie it to the right project. The admin cost alone is going to be tremendous, right? Now, I'm not worried about the amount of work, right? I'm worried about the benefit on the other end. Once we get that information, are you able to make the necessary behavior change in your business? Are you able to make the necessary decision in your business that is going to have significant bottom line impact that is going to be greater than the cost? Now, the answer to that may not always be yes. And if it's not yes, you're better off leaving it broken or the way it is. Until next time, I hope you guys are growing profitably.